Let's do it up right. Let's shake down the walls, because the banging of this track will give you a downfall. It's been told to me that this record sounds hot, and I came here to give it all I got. I'll make you dance. I'll make you dance. I'll make you dance. I'll make you dance. House your body up like you just don't care. Let's go on the floor. Don't just stand there and stare. Now rock with me. I'll guarantee that you'll dance. Bang the box, then you'll fall off in a trance. Now freaks in the house, just hold my jock. Scream out real loud and say, "Cool rock, you're hot." Now if you a booger, I want you to keep your mouth shut. Just stay on the floor and house it up. I'll make you dance. I'll make you dance. I'll make you dance. I'll make you dance. Let's ride the rhythm and see what we can give 'em. This beat is dope, like soap on a rope. Let your body slide while the rhythms ride. Come on, freaks in the house, you know you can't hide. There's something about the way I rock the mic. I seem to give the people everything that they like. How do you like me now? Because I'm cold getting paid. I'd rather have dollars instead of getting laid. I'll make you dance. I'll make you dance. I'll make you dance.